I'm Jeff from First Choice Mobility Limited, and today I'm going to introduce a new product and show you some of its features. Introducing the Flex Auto Fold-In Mobility Scooter. Unfolds with a simple press of the button on the remote. Unfolds in 12 seconds. Adjust the tiller height and angle for optimum driving position. On the digital display, shows battery meter, speed, time travelled and odometer. We also have a speed dial to adjust the speed up to 4 miles an hour. Easy to remove and install. Lithium battery pack giving you a range of up to 8 miles. Easy access point for charging when folded or unfolded. To increase your range, you can purchase an additional battery as an accessory and the off-board docking station. Easy access to the freewheel lever with black non-marking puncture-proof tyres. To close the Flex, you can either use the remote or the on-dash controls. Many people think that folding scooters are lightweight. Well, the facts are, and to give you an idea, maximum luggage on an aircraft is 20 kilograms. The Flex is 27.5 kilograms. The Flex has a maximum user weight of 19.5 stone and a seat width of 18 inches. For information, details or specification, visit our website or call one of the team.